Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Dale here. Got to do another mail call. Since the last one I did, I've gotten 4 more stickers to put on the wall back here. Probably gonna have to end up going over this way to put some on. So that'll be cool. Get this one filled up. We'll be ready to go. The first one I want to do today is from a really good guy across the border. He calls me his Aim High Air Force friend. And his name is Dave. And his channel is called RCAF Polar Express. This is my Royal Canadian Air Force partner right here. This has got to be the most upbeat individual I've ever met on YouTube. Always smiling, always just, on top of the world. He has some of the most pristine equipment and most meticulously taken care of equipment you will ever see. I try to take care of my stuff, but there's no I try to with this man right here, with Dave. This man takes care of his equipment. Just car, tractor, lawnmower. He splits all his wood by hand, everything. He just put in a wood heater, a wood heater down in his basement, and he has challenged people with wood heaters to show theirs. I don't have one yet. I am working on that. I am hunting for one right now, because I would like to have one out here in my garage. So with that being said, Dave, I appreciate your service too. And great guy, man. Great guy. Okay, the second one I need to do is across the border, Mr. Knowles Garden Tractor and Firewood. This man has some really nice garden tractors. He's got some massive Fergusons. He's got a Ford. He's got a John Deere. He has some other ones, but he has a nice wood stove out in his shop that he sits by and has some fireside chats. Another great channel. Just I enjoy his channel. Very laid back, calm, never gets excited, but just all in all, good channel. Y'all need to go by and check Mr. Knoll out, because I think right now, if I'm not mistaken, he just put up a video on his Ford tractor with the cab on it. He's been teasing us with this tractor, and I think he finally broke it out. So y'all go by and give him a check out too. Got some good videos. Does some small engine work too. Here's the next one. It is Buck's Small Engine DIY. Man does some small engine work. He's pretty good at it too. Has a lot of good tips, and doesn't mind helping a person out. You can ask him a question, he will respond to you. But I enjoy Buck's channel. I've learned some things from him. Just little tidbits, little things that makes life simpler when you're working on the engine and that. So y'all go by and give Buck's Small Engine DIY a check out. All right. Next channel coming up is Fate Farms. Tom, and I hope I'm saying this right, and if I'm not, please correct me, Tom. Katia, Katia. I think that's how you say it. I don't mean to mispronounce it. Another great channel. They have a really nice farm. Tom was doing a video today splitting some wood with how to do without a conveyor. Worked out pretty good. I think it did. Just all in all, working a farm, and just got some good content. I enjoy their channel a lot, and I like to wish them Merry Christmas also, like they did me. But y'all go by and give Fate Farms, Tom and Katia check out. I hate I missed him at the Paul Bunyan show. Did not know he was there. I wish I had known. I would love to have met him. All these people are just great. All these people on this wall right here, nice as they can be, and that really nice community. So David, my Royal Canadian Air Force friend, you're gonna go right here. Mr. Noel, you're gonna go right here beside Dave, back 40 firewood. One of his Massey Ferguson tractors has a front end loader on it. Dave here has a very nice Mahindra tractor. Excuse the back of my head for a minute. We're gonna go right up here with Buck small engine DIY. Starting on the next panel. Then we're gonna come up here with Fate Farms. Go right beside Buck. Y'all go by and check all these channels out. Really great channels. All right, one thing I also would like to say before this is over, I appreciate all the well wishes on getting better. Knee's doing good. Still got a little swelling going on it, but all in all, it's doing good. As you might not be able to hear, it's raining today. I had all intentions on getting the saws out and cutting some logs up or bucking up some logs, but that's not gonna happen today or tomorrow because it's gonna rain all day today, all night, and all day tomorrow, and I'm not getting out in the rain. But it's gonna be pretty this coming week. But there again, if anybody would like one of my channel stickers, I will put my email address right down here. If you just send me your address, I will make sure you get a sticker. All right? There's some fine channels up here. I can't believe I've already got one panel of this door filled up. But I do. And we're gonna start on this panel right here. And trust me, I got plenty more. There's a whole lot more to fill up. Forget the mess behind me. I hadn't had time to clean up. What I've been wanting is, this is the material that I make my handles out of for my bundle wood. And I've been cutting them with this razor knife. And it works, don't get me wrong, but it just is looking for something faster. And I've seen a lot of different rope cutters on Amazon and eBay and everything. But what I did, since I had a Weller soldering gun, they make a rope cutter piece that is $9.61. So I bought one of these to try it out. And you can actually buy a rope cutter with this tip on it that looks like a soldering iron. And I think they're $34 or $43. I will put a picture of one in the video. And then there's another one that you plug in, and it's a square box with the wire on it. And you just like that. And but they're about $84 and something on Amazon. So I'm gonna try this $9.61 piece and see how it works. So let me get it put in a soldering iron and get the soldering iron turned on, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, everybody, what I done was, so that isn't blinding everybody, I just put a piece of black electrical tape over it. I zip tied the trigger down so to stay on. This thing has already gotten hot. So let's see what we're working with. Taking a nice clean cut. And this is some very thick material. So I've had this roll of material. There's no telling how many feet is on this roll, but I've had this roll of material right here for years. I made all these in just a couple minutes using this cutter right here. This was my father's old Weller soldering iron. I already had one, and when I was at home last time, I found this one in an ammo box, so I brought it home with me. So my dad's out here with me, always anyhow, but now he's helping me do bundles, so that makes me happy. Hopefully it does him too. I like to say hello to all my new subscribers that I've picked up over the past few weeks, because I have picked up quite a few, and I appreciate it, and I hope y'all all come back and visit with me again real soon. We will, this coming week is supposed to be around 52 degrees for the high with sunny. And we're going to get out here. We're going to get that log splitter out and get some rounds split up and stacked that I had bucked up before I had my surgery. And then we will start bucking up some of this other wood that I got. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all again. Aim high. And we'll see y'all on the next one, all right? And yeah, it's starting to get pretty white. All right, bye-bye.